Have you ever felt like your voice has a mind of its own? You try to sing, but some days it feels unpredictable. Maybe the pitch feels off, or maybe it's the tone. But the crazy thing is, you feel like you're doing the exact same thing every single time, but just getting a different result. This was exactly what one of my students was experiencing. She told me her voice felt out of control, but couldn't exactly pinpoint why. And so in this lesson, we broke down exactly what was happening, and we worked through some exercises that immediately gave her more consistency and confidence in her voice. Let's dive in. So today, I want to kind of test out your voice a bit more, just kind of figure out what exactly we're working with. And then once we have a clearer idea, I'd love to kind of get you started with your first routine by the end of today.
Okay.
Yeah, so even to kind of kickstart off, right? Tell me a little bit more about what we're working towards. Like, for example, like what's the goal at the moment with our singing?
So I have really no formal singing training, but I do it a lot.
Okay,
I'm part
yep,
of a folk band.
that's right.
And
Yes.
yeah, I started singing harmony with our lead singer, but then I started writing some songs and they're more written for my voice than his. So
Cool.
I've been singing lead sometimes, but I don't know, it bothers me a little bit because I'm actually like pretty good at the keyboard and I play the trumpet at a really high level. Like I play all those instruments
Mm,
in our group.
mm,
But I can't get my voice to do what I would like it to do. Like vibrato comes sometimes. I don't know why or
mm,
how it happens.
mm-hmm.
It does sometimes. I feel like my breath squirt is a little different than what it is on the trumpet. So, but I'm not really sure what exactly to change
Yeah.
to sing better. I know it's possible. I like generally how my voice sounds, but and I can sing pretty on pitch, but there's just a lot of you'll be able to tell a lot of things to work
Yes.
on.
We'll definitely figure this out together. So, generally, I like how my voice sounds, and now you're kind of seeing a bit of lead, which is really, really cool in this band. But the challenge is like I can't seem to get my voice to do what I want to do, and that, but also like knowing what adjustments, what changes to make as well. Is that correct?
Exactly. Yeah, that's correct.
Changes to make. Nice. Maybe coming back to that question of the goal, is there something you're working towards? Is it like you want to kind of take on more lead roles? You do you want to kind of like if you could like sing the way you want, like what would that allow you to do? That's I guess that's the question.
Yeah, so we do these sets at local like bars and beer gardens that are
Yep.
2 to 3 hours long.
Yep.
And my voice is tired by the end of them. And
Mm,
I don't know that I'm necessarily doing anything. Like I don't think this stuff should be hard and straining on my voice, but I can
mm,
tell that I'm, up here in my throat.
mm.
We have one song right now that's streaming online, and I like it and how it sounds enough. I sing lead on that song. I've
Yes.
written a lot of other songs that we've demoed, but none of them are streaming yet, but we would like to. And yeah, again, there's things I'm like, I hear what I would like to do with my voice, but I cannot do it. So yeah,
Yeah. Well, congrats. Streaming as in you've released a song and it's out on platforms.
on
Yeah.
Spotify and YouTube and Apple Music. Yeah.
Hey, congratulations. Awesome. Cool. Okay. I think I've got a good idea of what we're working towards. What I'd love for you to do for me is if you can find maybe a song, maybe one of your songs, that could be another person's song, something that showcases the challenges of like, maybe I don't feel like I can do what I want to do. That
Okay.
would be a good start. So,
Sure.
because we haven't set up our tech, if you can just grab your phone or another device and just play the song, sing along with it, that's plenty.
Okay. Um, Let me think. How about the one that's streaming? Because we perform that. It's a song about a local landmark. So we play it when we play locally.
No, that's cool. I love that. Let's hear it. And just for now, do the first verse and chorus. That's more than enough.
Something funny with these flowers. Some have special needs and powers. Something funny with these flowers. Some have special needs and powers. There's no rose beneath these flowers. Rain don't rain upon these flowers. There's no rose beneath these flowers. Rain don't rain upon them.
Is that you on the trumpet as well? Yeah,
Yes.
nice.
Mama Rosa in Wauwatosa Mama Rosa gathering us all. Mama Rosa in Wauwatosa. Mama Rosa, you gather us all. I could play the trumpet for you too. I suppose it's right over there.
Hey, it's a really cool song. I love the energy. I love the vibe of it. Nice. Did you compose it or did someone else compose it?
Yeah, I wrote it. Yeah.
Wow, nice, nice, nice. Really, really cool. I liked it. Now, before I jump in, have you done any scales, anything like that before?
Maybe in middle school choir. I don't
Middle
know.
school
I
choir.
mean, I don't like really warm up or I don't, I have like no training.
That's okay. You're completely fine.
Yeah,
Let me hear. So this is just gonna let me hear the technique behind things a little bit more. So
sure.
let's just start off with a mum, 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 and let's just see what happens. We'll go up and down. Now I'll play the scale first, and then you go for it, just because Zoom has a little bit of a delay.
Mama, 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 mama.
Nice.
Mama, 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 mama. 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 Mama, 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 mama.
Yeah, cool. Okay, nice. So let me kind of start off with what is really good, and then I'll share with you also what we can improve on. So first of all, you've got a beautiful voice. The tone of it is really nice. You know, the pitch and timing, all the musicality side is definitely there. So, you know, obviously you played a lot of instruments as well. The main kind of improvement is really technical. That's the main thing that we're working on, which is basically we've got these muscles in our throat. How do we use them better? And that's where a lot of my singing work or singing technique comes in. And part of that, of course, is also learning what not to use. Because I think the journey of like learning and improving the approach with singing is there are things that we need to do better and things that we don't actually need at all. And we'll probably tackle a few of them today. There probably could also be some stylistic things we could explore because you're singing in a very clean, but also somewhat safe kind of manner. And, you know, if you ever want to explore things like, oh, how do I make this more interesting, make this even more like different? That could be something we can explore. And it kind of builds on control as well, which is like, once you feel like you know how to use the voice generally, it just gives you a lot more room to play and be like, oh, let me kind of jazz things up. So maybe we'll even just kind of start here, right? If we have time, I'll kind of show maybe some of the anatomy of the voice, but let's just start here. Let's get rid of some unnecessary movement, first of all. So one that I want you to notice, mum, 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 mum. That's one. And also mum, 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 ma, like the mouth kind of opens up. Now, the reason why we're trying to get rid of those first is I'm trying to get rid of the clutter so that you can see and feel what only needs to happen here. Because every time we move these or do extra things, it's kind of like clouding our vision of what the muscles need to be doing. So even, do you have the camera with you right now that you can see yourself?
It's up in the corner. I can move it. Let's see.
Yeah, just make yourself a little bit bigger, or you can kind of just close your eyes and just notice it really. It doesn't, either's fine. Okay, we'll take another run at it, and let's not try to change anything so far. Let's just notice things. So notice if you're actually adding these extra kind of movements that we don't need. Mum, 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 mum.
Mama, 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 mama.
Nice.
Mama, 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 mama.
Yeah, so mama, like there's that extra kind of something happening on the top. Mama, you can just speak all the way through it. Mama, 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 mum.
Mama, mama, mama.
Better. That's a better example. Yeah.
Mama, 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 mama.
Good.
Mama, 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 mama.
Good, because now this reveals the underlying coordination. Because notice when we strip away that, what's happening is as we go up higher, the sound gets a little bit softer, a little bit weaker on the top. But that's just what the chords themselves, what they're doing at the moment. And eventually we'll learn to solve that as well. But let's just get rid of that extra junk.
Ma 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 ma.
Good.
Ma 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 ma.
Good.
Ma 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 ma.
Well done.
Ma 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 ma.
Little change.
Yeah. Ma 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 ma.
Yeah, just give in to that feeling.
Ma 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 ma.
Yes.
Ma 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 ma.
Wonderful.
Ma 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 ma.
And notice how it's smoother than what we did in our first when I was testing you. The pitch change is a lot smoother already.
Ma 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 ma.
Well done.
Ma 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 ma.
Nice.
Ma 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 ma.
Nice.
Ma 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 ma.
Nice. Well, now, whilst this is so good, I want us to add one more thing. Can you do that exact same thing, but aim to be a little bit stronger? But the strength does not come from any of those extra kind of movements. So it's literally it's something internal. Give it a try.
Ma 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 ma.
Yeah, you can get that top note a little bit stronger.
Ma 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 ma.
Yes, there.
Ma 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 ma.
Yeah, without going there. Go back to the soft one, right? So what we can do, go a little bit softer first, find that smooth, easy motion, then go for the strength in the second time.
Ma 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 ma.
Yep.
Ma 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 ma.
Yeah, you can be smooth at that second one. Try it again.
Ma 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 ma. Ma 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 ma.
Yes, well done.
Ma 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 ma.
This could be smoother.
Ma 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 ma.
That's pretty good. The first one could be a little bit smoother though. Yeah.
Ma 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 ma. Ma 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 ma.
Well done. One more.
Ma 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 ma.
Smoother.
Ma 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 ma
A
ma.
little bit smoother if you can.
Ma 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 ma. Ma 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 ma.
Yeah. The reason why I'm kind of nitpicking and making sure that first one is smooth is you can think of that as like a prototype of like how the stronger one's going to go. Because in that first one, we're basically just not using as much strength, but we're still kind of asking for the same thing. Can I get a smooth, easy kind of change of pitch? When we add a bit more strength, it's the same thing, but with just a bit more power. But if the first one kind of like starts to slip or like these changes, there's a pretty high chance it'll like show up in the stronger one, and it might like you just feel like you have to kind of jam at it a bit more. But that was a really good set. Like we made actually even just there's a lot of cool things we could unpack. How did that feel to you first of all?
I feel like after you pointed those things out and I was watching myself, I relaxed a little bit more.
Yeah.
And then it was easier. Not always. I think there's
Not
some
always, yeah.
habits there. Like I never looked at myself while I was singing before, other than like maybe a video after we had a performance or something. But I mean, it's not like zoomed in on my face right now. I like looking at my throat and
Yeah.
my mouth, like doing some weird compensations, I guess, for those higher notes, especially.
Yeah, weird compensation is a good way to say it. Like that is a really, really good thing. Now, we don't have to be so strict. So it's not like we have to like keep. If anything, that's probably worse. Like kind of holding ourselves in a certain place.
Yeah.
The easiest example is like if you go mum 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 mum, if you kind of just speak through it right on the same pitch without changing pitch, that's a general baseline of like ease that we're looking for. So I even give that a try, like mum 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 mum.
Mum, 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 mum.
Like notice you never go mum 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 mum. Like you don't do any of those extra things. That's kind of the baseline we're looking for. So if I go mum 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 mum, that's kind of the idea we're doing. Because that means if we can actually do that, these guys are working a lot better. So this can already be a little thing you can explore. So the routine here we did was, first of all, can you find smooth, easy pitch change softly first? And some things to watch out for is, are we, jabbing with the, are we kind of like, how would you explain it? You might have a better way of saying it.
You mean like when I'm kind of shooting for that higher note.
Like when you have those extra motions of like neck or like the mouth.
Oh yeah, just unnecessary weird compensation to try and hit a note, I think is what's going on. I'm not totally sure. I've seen some of this in my trumpet playing too, so I guess
No, I get
it's
it.
all related, right?
Yeah. So yeah, watch out for those unnecessary compensations like the mouth and the neck. As long as you like, just come back to that fundamental idea of like most of the work in terms of changing pitch and power actually happens internally here. So anything external is not really needed. That can kind of keep guiding you to like what's true, what's true, what's true. Now, then after that, the challenge is can you repeat it with more strength? Which is what you've done. Like you're able to kind of get a little bit more power and that kind of work, right? But just as smooth over the same smooth motion. So that smooth motion comes first, then can I layer on more kind of power.